Revenue is a very important metric when you go for raising funds and pitching to the investors. But when it comes to revenue, the most important measurement that investors look for is CAC. Hi, this is Priyanka Mandani and I am founder of Easy to Pitch, telling you today the importance of customer acquisition cost. Customer acquisition cost is the most important matrix when you are in early stage of startup. It is nothing but how much you spend to acquire one customer. Your customer could be your user or the person who will be using your product or service. When I talk about how much you spend on acquiring a customer, it could be your marketing expense, it could be your sales expense, it could be how you are spending on your inventories. All these summarize and then gives you a cost of acquisition. Now talking about the formula, of course, if I am talking about a particular period, how much you spend on sales or how much you spend on acquiring one customer in that particular period is divided by the total number of acquired customers in that period. Hence, you get that number and you present it to the investors. Now, in what investors actually look for when it comes to CAC? Everybody knows more the customer acquisition cost means more revenue or more funds would be required to invest to grow more and expand. And hence, investors are very keen to gain that understanding that the CAC will reduce as you grow. Because in generic term, LTV, the lifetime value, is more important than customer acquisition cost. Because if you're spending more and the LTV is less, then there is a problem in your early stage. The growth is very less or the growth will be very slow. Right? So whenever you are planning your roadmap towards growth, we have to always think about how much less we should invest in acquiring one customer, and that it will only come when you understand the market trends or you will reduce your marketing cost. Now it is very much easy to understand that your acquiring of a new customer is 10 times more than acquiring of an old customer. Right, and hence we talk about retention there. And yes, investors are definitely keen about all these numbers. So as we grow, we have to prove that the CAC will reduce, the expense that we are making in marketing has to reduce, your branding has to increase, your customer acquisition has to be fast with lower cost. And hence the growth will be there, and hence investor would want to invest in you. Now it's the time at early stage. I understand that we have to spend more to create a brand value, and every investor does understand that. But in the future, no investor will be happy to invest in such a startup where the CAC is more. So work on your customer acquisition cost, make those strategy where you spend less on acquiring customers with that period of time, and talk of more of your retention and recurring payments. So hence, customer acquisition cost has to be the important matrix when you go for pitching. It could be also possible to measure it by measuring how much you spend on your Google ads, how much you spend on your marketing, how much on your designing, how much in your production, how much in the inventories. All these sum up in and gives you the cost, right? Because it is for one unit. Hence, ensure that if you are spending less on your customer acquisition, the growth will be faster and investors will be more convinced, because it's very clear, more the CAC, more the amount spent on sales and marketing, more it shows that your growth is very less, and you are putting less efficiency when you're talking about your growth. So keep in mind that CAC has to be less as you keep on expanding, and more has to be the lifetime value of every customer, which leads to recurring of payments and retention. Thank you.